How to fade in and fade out in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can fade in and fade out in CapCut. So let's get right into the video without any further delay. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video where you want to fade in and fade out. Once you are on this page, now select the video and here you will see different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on the third animations option. Now here you will again see different options from which click on the fade in option. Select the period of time for how long you want to have fade in on your video. Simply slide the slider to the desired time. Once you are okay, click on checkmark button. So in this way you can add the fade in on your video. Now in order to add the fade out effect, again select the clip where you want to add the animation. For example, I want to add my fade out effect from here. Once you have selected the clip, again tap on animations option. Then tap on out option right here and select the fade out option. Now you can drag the slider and once you are okay, click on the checkmark option at the bottom of the screen. So that's it, you have successfully added the fade in and fade out animation. If this video was helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.